Alright guys, so check this out. Your Ford Escape's backup camera is acting up, huh? Well, let me tell you something. I've seen this more times than I can count. First things first, we gotta look at the common culprits. It could be a blown fuse, a loose connection, or maybe your camera's just decided it's had enough of looking at your neighbor's fence. Now here's the deal. Before you start throwing money at the problem, let's try some basic troubleshooting. Start by checking that fuse box. It's usually under the dash and you're looking for a fuse labeled backup camera or something similar. If that's not it, take a look at the connections. Sometimes they get loose. Give them a good wiggle and see if that fixes things. If you've tried all that and your camera's still being stubborn, well, it might be time to call in the big guns. And by big guns, I mean a mechanic who knows their stuff. Look for someone who specializes in electrical systems, 'cause let me tell you, these modern cars are more complicated than rocket science sometimes. You know what I'm saying?